Guys, we have a new device here. Customer complain it's not powering on, so we will check what's the problem. So now we will try to put the charger. Yeah, obviously it is charging. I heard the chime. I see the Apple logo, but it is not bright. It is very dark. So guys, I think this is liquid damage. This model was Macbook Air A1466. Yeah, I saw trace of liquid. So guys, obviously the problem was, I think, the backlight IC. So we will check on the back side of the motherboard.
By the way, I am using the K5 screw. Torx number 5 screwdriver. This time we will be direct to the point. We know it is backlight IC, so I will just show you how to replace the backlight IC.
As you can see guys, that's the backlight IC right there. This is the Wi-Fi IC. So this is the back side of the motherboard, and that's the liquid damage. That's the situation right now guys. Obviously this is not an easy fix, but we will try. This is the backlight IC. So as you can see, there's some burnt parts, and I think the IC was also damaged. Guys, after some brushing and using the solvent, this is what it looks like now. It is not that bad, I think, but the backlight IC we should replace. That's after some cleaning, guys. I bought this IC, backlight IC before, and it is very cheap, guys. Before you replace any IC and you are not sure about orientation, you will check the board view. Guys, this is the board, and the problem, the liquid spill was here, but we clean it up, and also here, this part we just clean it, but the serious problem was really here. This is the backlight PPB out, so we need to replace this IC U7701. If you are not sure about the orientation, just check this. This is the pin 1, so the dotted part of the IC should be here. And that's what happened, guys. There's one pin that is not connected. Hopefully we can fix this one. The situation is not good, guys. There is no copper left on the board pin, so it is not good. We will see what we can do for this pin to have a connection back. Guys, I really don't know if I'm doing a good job putting the jumper. I mean, this is not really look good, but we will put the IC now and we will see. This is what I've told you guys. The pin 1 should be this dotted part of the IC should be on the pin 1. So we already check on the board view, and if you are not sure about the orientation, so you should check the board view. that is the new IC, backlight IC. So what we're going to do now, after we will check if the LCD have light this time. So guys, we will try now. It's working. This is a backlight IC that we replaced. So we'll not clean yet. We will just try if it's working. We put one screw just to lock the board in place. Guys, moment of truth. Put the charger. So guys, now as you can see, guys, please subscribe to my channel, and guys, again, this is a Macbook Air A1466, and what we did is we replaced the backlight IC and clean some liquid damage, or the parts that have corrosion. So that's it guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I can give you some hints or some knowledge on fixing your own device, and I mean, hopefully I give you some ideas. So guys, thank you, and God bless.